Welcome back to Suzieandersonhome. Thanks to your support and requests, today we're sharing part 2 of our series on common interior design mistakes. If you missed part 1, we have put a link in the description box below. Before we begin, don't forget to get a copy of our ebook, The 5 L's of Styling, via the link also in the video description box below. Design mistake number 1. Placing furniture against the wall or overcrowding. While it might seem logical to create more open space in the centre, this layout can make a room feel disconnected and smaller. The solution. Every room has an optimal furniture arrangement that consists of 4 key elements: a way to enter, a focal point, circulation around the seating area, and comfort. Float your furniture. Floating furniture away from the walls and towards the centre of the room creates a more intimate atmosphere, promotes social interaction, and makes the space feel more welcoming. In small spaces, try pulling furniture away from the walls, even by 10 to 15 centimetres, or opt for pieces with exposed legs to make the room feel more expansive. Design mistake number 2. Too much matching. Another common design mistake is the overuse of matching elements in a room. While coordinating furniture and decor can create a sense of harmony, a room where everything is too similar in style, scale, material, or finish can often make a space feel monotonous, flat, and lacking in personality. The solution. Introduce variety by combining different textures and materials. Don't be afraid to mix different woods, metals, and textiles to add layers of interest and character. For soft furnishings, mix materials like velvet, linen, cotton, wool, boucle, mohair, cashmere, and jute to create a rich, textured look that feels both cosy and sophisticated. Avoid complete matching sets. Instead of investing in a full furniture set, opt for a more eclectic and personalised look by mixing different furniture materials, scales, or finishes. In the living room, you might pair your sofa with vintage accent chairs, a distinctive coffee table, or throw pillows and blankets in different textures, all while staying within your chosen colour palette. Limit mirror symmetry. While symmetry can create a pleasing and harmonious look, too much of it can make a space feel rigid. Consider the Japanese principle of fukinsei, which embraces asymmetry and irregularity. Experiment with hand-thrown pottery, abstract artwork, foraged branches and natural materials like rattan, reclaimed wood, marble or limestone. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. Design mistake number 3. Poor quality cushion inserts and improper sizing. A common mistake in cushion selection is choosing low quality inserts or cushions that are the wrong size. Cheap foam compresses quickly, leading to flat, uncomfortable cushions that lose their shape. The solution: choose the right insert. Consider the type of insert. Feather inserts provide a soft, natural plumpness and an elegant, lived-in look. They do require regular fluffing to maintain shape, but offer premium weight and warmth. Microblend inserts are a superior vegan alternative to polyester. Microblend inserts maintain their plumpness, are hypoallergenic, mildew-proof and machine washable. Layer different sizes. The standard throw pillow size is typically 20 by 20 inches or 50 by 50 centimetres and often come with your sofa or armchair. While these are a great base, add visual interest by incorporating a variety of additional shaped and sized cushions. Use odd numbers and arrange your cushions in asymmetrical or triangular groupings, positioning them in the foreground, middle and background. Design mistake number 4, overuse of patterns. Next, using too many patterns in a room can create a chaotic and overwhelming effect. While patterns can add interest and personality, excessive use, especially if they're all of the same scale, can clash and disrupt the harmony of your space. The solution: break up patterns. To achieve contrast and balance in your space, mix solid colours with different textures. For example, if you have a patterned armchair, complement it with solid coloured cushions and a textured throw. On a plain, neutral slip-covered sofa, layer throw cushions in varied patterns and scales and solid hues. Mix pattern scales. When mixing patterns, use a variety of scales. small, medium, and large, to create depth and visual interest. Work with a cohesive colour palette. To achieve visual balance, select a cohesive colour palette based on the 60-30-10 principle. Allocate about 60% of your fabrics or materials to a dominant colour, 30% to one or two secondary colours, and 10% to an accent colour that can be bold or dramatic. By layering patterns that align with this colour scheme, you create a space that feels intentional and thoughtfully designed. Design mistake number 5, lack of a focal point. The last common design mistake is failing to establish a focal point in a room. Without a clear focal point, a space can feel disjointed. In some rooms, you might find either too many elements competing for attention or a lack of a standout feature. The solution. Identify the focal point. In interior design, a focal point is the central feature that captures the attention and sets the tone for the room. It could be anything from a striking piece of artwork, a mirror, or a beautiful bay window, to a fireplace, a glamorous chandelier, a patterned rug, or a statement piece of furniture. Larger or open-plan spaces may benefit from multiple focal points, while smaller spaces often work best with a single focal point and one or two supporting elements. Highlight the feature. Once you've identified your focal point, enhance it with thoughtful lighting and strategic furniture placement. For example, install wall sconces on either side of a fireplace. Use spotlighting to highlight an artwork. Arrange furniture beneath a statement light fixture. Or add built-in bench seating beneath a bay window. Additionally, ensure there's ample negative space around the focal point to give your eyes a place to rest and maintain balance in the design. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed part 2 of our common design mistakes. Let us know in the comments below which tip resonated the most with you and any other ideas you might have. Please like the video and subscribe. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.